How to delete a Shopee account on a laptop. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete a Shopee account on a laptop. First, open your Shopee account on your PC. Once you're there, click on Help. Next, search for How do I delete my Shopee account? Once the results appear, click on that. From there, you can find all the information about how to delete your Shopee account. Now, read the information and you can easily delete your Shopee account. Keep in mind that once you delete your Shopee account, you will lose access to your purchase history, order tracking, and any saved information associated with that account. If you have any pending orders or unresolved issues, it's advisable to address them before deleting your account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.